Hi there, Toby here. So stress transformation practice is a way of working in meditation and mindfulness where you take the negative or debilitating stress that you currently experience, you take it into your mindfulness practice, and you deliberately work on ways of transforming it such that it becomes positive stress, developmental stress, creative stress, stress that is working for you in your life rather than against you. So one particular benefit of this type of meditation is that you build confidence, because you don't necessarily know exactly what's going to happen to you in life, but if you know how to transform your stress, and stress is an intrinsic part of everybody's life, if you know how to transform it, then you feel confident that whatever's going to come up today, or this week, or next month, or over the next year, I'll be able to handle it. So if that sounds like a good idea to you, then do check out my stress transformation courses that are coming up over the second half of the year. And if it looks good to you, then I hope to see you on one of the programs.